This February, grief, betrayal, and shocking revelations grip the errands. From wrongful arrests to hidden videos and dangerous alliances, every twist pushes relationships to the brink. With love, revenge, and secrets colliding, no one is safe. Expect heartbreak, suspense, and surprises that will leave you guessing. On Monday, 3rd February 2025, episode 64 will dive into an emotional turmoil as Aybike and Ogulkan struggle to cope with their mother's tragic death, their grief intertwining with a sense of helplessness. Gökhan, having been fired and left without options, turns to Berk for financial backing to kickstart a new business venture, but Berk's hesitation is palpable, leaving viewers questioning whether he will take the risk. In a shocking twist, Ayaz and Asiye find themselves wrongfully arrested, their world crumbling as they face accusations they cannot comprehend. What could this mean for their future, and how will they clear their names? Don't forget to drop your thoughts in the comments. What do you think will happen next? On Tuesday, 4th February 2025, episode 65 unfolds with Ayla skillfully convincing Nebahat to give Akif another chance, planting seeds of trust that may grow into something unexpected or backfire spectacularly. Meanwhile, Susan makes a bold move by offering Gulton money in exchange for the compromising video of Seval. But will Gulton's greed cost her dearly? As the tension rises, Berk wrestles with his decision and ultimately resolves to help Gökhan, igniting a partnership that could either flourish or lead to disaster. Your insights are needed. What's your take on Berk's choice? Comment below and let's discuss. On Wednesday, 5th February 2025, episode 66 sees Nebahat embarking on a relentless quest to track down Akif, leading to a confrontation that spirals into chaos and leaves viewers gasping. Gulton, realizing too late the consequences of selling the incriminating video to Susan, faces a haunting sense of regret. The day takes a dark turn when a devastating accident shakes Sharia to her core, leaving questions about who is responsible and what lies ahead. How do you think this will all unravel? Share your theories, and don't forget to like this post to stay updated on all the drama. On Thursday, 6th February 2025, episode 67 takes an emotional toll as the community grapples with the aftermath of Susan's passing, her absence creating a void that feels impossible to fill. Orhan receives a stark warning that they might lose the family home due to Sengül and Ismet's reckless actions, forcing him into a desperate corner. Meanwhile, Gökhan is faced with a heart-wrenching decision that could change everything for him. What would you do in Gökhan's shoes? Hit like if you're as hooked as we are, and drop your thoughts below. On Friday, 7th February 2025, episode 68 offers a glimmer of hope as Orhan considers returning to his hometown to rebuild his life, but his family strongly resists. Clinging to their ties to the past, Nebahat, in a surprising move, forgives Akif and invites him back home, reigniting old dynamics that are both comforting and tense. However, Gökhan's descent into gambling takes a dangerous turn, threatening not just his finances but the stability of everyone around him. What do you think will happen to Gökhan? Comment your thoughts and theories, and don't forget to share this with your friends who love drama. On Monday, 10th February 2025, episode 69 marks a pivotal moment as Tolga borrows Yasmin's laptop for homework, only to stumble upon a startling video that leaves him reeling. Meanwhile, Gulton gains new ammunition against Akif, setting the stage for a showdown that promises explosive consequences. What's in the video, and how will it impact everyone involved? Don't forget to like this if you're eager to find out. On Tuesday, 11th February 2025, episode 70 plunges deeper into chaos as Ayaz steps up to help Asiye keep Aybike from facing jail time, their bond growing stronger in the face of adversity. Tolga, tormented by the secret he's uncovered, struggles with how to handle his discovery, teetering between exposing the truth and protecting those involved. Meanwhile, Ömer and Ogulkan make a heartbreaking decision to leave school and take up work at a construction site, sacrificing their dreams for their family. What would you do in their place? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. On Wednesday, 12 February 2025, episode 71 reveals the mounting toll of Tolga's secret. As he begins to feel like he's losing his grip on reality, desperate for guidance, he decides to show the video to a close friend, a choice that could either save or ruin him. Aybike surprises everyone by striking an unexpected deal to save their house, but will the cost of her decision be too great? Hit like if you're rooting for Aybike, and don't forget to share your theories below. On Thursday, 13th February 2025, episode 72 brings a mix of revelations and heartbreak as Ömer and Ogulkan return to school, trying to balance their burdens with their education. Nebahat is blindsided by the discovery of their mysterious partner's true identity, a twist that leaves her questioning everything. Ayaz, unable to bear the weight of his secrets, comes clean to Asiye, confessing the truth about everything he's been hiding. What do you think Asiye will do next? Share your predictions in the comments. On Friday, 14th February 2025, episode 73 explores the fallout of Ayaz's confession as Asiye shares the revelation with Aybike, leaving her conflicted about her feelings toward Ayaz. Meanwhile, Ayla finds herself unable to coexist with Gökhan any longer, and the tension between them reaches a boiling point. Who's in the right and who's in the wrong? Don't forget to like this post if you're as intrigued as we are. On Monday, 17th February 2025, episode 74 shifts focus as the girls, fed up with their ungrateful boyfriends, band together to teach them a valuable lesson. The boys, however, refuse to back down, setting the stage for a humorous yet poignant battle of wills. Orhan starts a new job as Seval's chauffeur, unaware of the challenges this new chapter will bring. Have you ever had to stand your ground like this? Drop your stories in the comments and let's discuss. On Tuesday, 18th February 2025, episode 75 heats up as the girls' protest against the boys takes a bold turn, leaving everyone on edge to see who will cave first. Meanwhile, Ayaz and Asiye find themselves in grave danger after witnessing something they shouldn't have. What could they have seen? Don't forget to like this post to stay tuned for the next twist. On Wednesday, 19th February 2025, episode 76 follows Ayaz as he tries to convince Asiye to escape to Ankara with him, a desperate attempt to protect her from looming threats. Ayla, determined to expose Gökhan's gambling secrets, eavesdrops on a heated conversation between him and one of his shady associates. Will she succeed in her mission? Share your guesses in the comments. On Thursday, 20th February 2025, episode 77 escalates as Gökhan manipulates Berk yet again, driving Ayla to her breaking point. Şuraya, unable to suppress her emotions any longer, confesses her feelings for Akif, leaving him in an awkward position. The Erins, meanwhile, are left shattered by a devastating loss, their grief pulling them further apart. What do you think this loss means for the family? Like this if you're following their journey closely. On Friday, 21st February 2025, episode 78 brings unexpected alliances as Nebahat offers Ayla an idea to expose Gökhan to Berk, a risky move with potentially explosive consequences. Ömer, on the other hand, is determined to take matters into his own hands. But will his actions bring justice or chaos? What's your take? Let's hear your thoughts in the comments. On Monday, 24th February 2025, episode 79 sees Ayla's attempt to make Gökhan confess end in failure, pushing her to rethink her strategy. Orhan has a surprise encounter with a former lover who delivers shocking news, leaving him reeling. Meanwhile, Omer remains steadfast in his pursuit of revenge, but at what cost? Don't forget to share this post and let us know what you think is coming next. On Tuesday, 25th February 2025, Episode 80 delivers high-stakes drama as Orhan receives a surprise visitor, throwing his life into turmoil. Gökhan catches Akif and Şuraya in a compromising position, leaving viewers on edge as they wonder whether he will reveal their secret to Nebahat. What would you do in his position? Hit like if you're hooked and share your thoughts below. On Wednesday, 26 February 2025, Episode 81 reveals Gökhan's pressure on Akif to fire Ayla from the club, a power play that could upend their lives. Meanwhile, Ayberk and Ogulkan take drastic measures by collecting DNA samples to determine if Cansu is Orhan's daughter, a revelation that could change everything. Tolga stumbles upon Sado's confession video once again, reigniting a storm of emotions. Don't forget to comment on what you think will happen next. On Thursday, 27th February 2025, Episode 82 follows Yasmin as she digs deeper into the mystery of Tolga's laptop video, uncovering a secret that leaves her stunned. Akif and Şuraya sneak away for a romantic getaway, blissfully unaware of the chaos awaiting them back home. What do you think Yasmin will do with her discovery? Like this if you're excited to find out. On Friday, 28th February 2025, Episode 88 closes the month with a bang, as Yasmin's shocking revelation sends Sevil spiraling into desperation. Akif's attempts to hide the truth from Nebahat take a dark turn, culminating in an accident that leaves her seriously injured. Will the truth finally come out, or will Akif's lies hold firm? Drop your predictions in the comments, and don't forget to like and share this post to keep the discussion alive. Thanks for watching. Drop your thoughts in the comments, like the video, and subscribe for more updates. Hit the notification bell, and I'll see you in the next video coming up now.